This is going to be group 9. We're on the lateral side of the cat at the hind limb. And when you get started, there's going to be fascia through here. That's been removed. And this big broad flat muscle is also going to be connected very tightly to just about at the knee and then coming down onto the lower leg. That's been cut. So cut through the fascia right about at the knee and down to the lower leg so that I can flip it back, but we'll put that back right now. Sorry, gotta have some fun. All right, we'll start kind of at the top and work our way down. This muscle here is the sartorius. In us, this is a much thinner muscle than it is in the cat. It actually kind of wraps around the top of the thigh here. So that's sartorius. And then next down is our tensor fascia latae. It's a good Starbucks drink. So there's our tensor fascia latae. And we're gonna go to the back just a little bit so we can pick up our gluteus muscles. Again, you're gonna have to remove some of the fascia up in here to be able to see our gluteus medius here, which in the cat is actually bigger than the gluteus maximus right in through here. So we'll do green for gluteus medius and blue for gluteus maximus. And then here's a muscle that is going to be much more noticeable here on the cat. They have a tail. Caudo, meaning near the tail, femoralis, running along the femur. So this is caudo femoralis, running this way. Now, again, this muscle here, the biceps femoris, which is one of the hamstrings, was attached right about at the knee and then down onto the lower leg, and that's been cut. So I'll give biceps femoris, one of our hamstrings, a big yellow pin, and I'm going to flip that backwards to reveal. I'll just put the pin back here now. Our sciatic nerve, biggest nerve in the body, and that splits, one side going to the fibula and the other side going towards the inside of the tibia there. And we've got our other two hamstrings. So here's biceps femoris. This is semimembranosus. Give that pink. And then semitendinosus is a smaller muscle right here. Okay. The quads sit on top of the thigh, sort of surround the femur there. And we've cut through or transected the vastus lateralis. That's one of the 4 quadriceps muscles. So that's the vastus lateralis. Put the pin there. We cut through it so that you can see one of the other quadriceps muscles. That's our vastus femoris there. Our vastus intermedius. What color have we not used? Light green? No. Dark green? We used
dark green. Yep.
How about teal?
Or, yeah, that works too.
So there's our vastus intermedius muscle there. So biceps femoris, one of the hamstrings, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, the other 2 hamstrings. We transected our vastus lateralis, which is actually listed on group 11, but and got to our vastus intermedius, which is part of your quadriceps. And then coming back up towards the spine, we have our caudo femoralis, gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, tensor fascia latae, this muscle here, and sartorius.